AI is evolving fast. Tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Claude are transforming how we search. But here's the truth. AI search tools still can't fully replace classic Google, and they might never. Here are 5 reasons why Google still rules the search game. First, AI searches are often outdated. AI is great until you need up-to-date information. Often you'll get answers pulled from old sources or data that's months out of date. Compare that to Google. It surfaces fresh results, articles published just hours ago, videos uploaded today. When accuracy depends on timeliness, Google wins every time. Second, Google is still better for fact-checking. AI can hallucinate. That means you might get wrong or misleading answers, even when they sound confident. Fact-checking with AI? Risky. Google, on the other hand, gives you a really wide view of sources, so you can verify information across multiple sites. You get to see the original articles, research papers, and expert blogs, not just AI's interpretation of them. So, here's the thing. AI search tools just aren't mainstream yet. Let's face it, most people still don't use AI search tools regularly. They might have heard of ChatGPT, but honestly, they don't really know how or why to use it for search. Google? Well, everyone knows it. It's honestly just muscle memory at this point. Open the browser, type, enter, done. Until AI tools break into the mainstream with that same mass appeal and ease of use, they're really just playing catch-up. Habits are, well, really hard to break. People have been using Google since the early 2000s. It's familiar, comfortable, predictable. Even if AI becomes better technically, it has to convince people to change their habits. And honestly, that's a lot harder than just building better tech. Remember, people still watch cable TV. Some folks still read newspapers. Convenience isn't just about features, it's about comfort. Google has, without a doubt, the simplest interface. Google's homepage is a masterclass in design. Type your question, get your answer, no friction. So, AI tools? Well, they require prompts, understanding the tool's quirks, and sometimes even formatting. There's a learning curve, and for many, that's just too much. Simplicity wins, and Google owns that. AI search tools are powerful, they're growing, and honestly, they will take over certain kinds of searches. But when it comes to trust, speed, habit, and usability, classic Google isn't going anywhere anytime soon. So, do you think AI search will ever take the crown from Google? Drop your take in the comments, hit like if you agree, and subscribe for more digital deep dives.